Wow.
Look at all that.
Look at it.
It's all in the bottom of the creek bed. Now look at it.